Hello students, in today's video we shall learn from unit number 4 Hazrat Asma Rasulullah Anhu, and we shall be doing the translation and paraphrasing for paragraph number 5. Dear students, first of all we shall look at the words selected from paragraph number 5, and the first word we have on the slide is empty-handed. Empty-handed have the synonyms of having no money or penniless, और उर्दू में हम इसे कहेंगे खाली हाथ. Second word we have is instantly, and the synonyms of instantly are immediately or at once, और उर्दू में कहेंगे एकदम या फौरन. Next word we have is pebble, and the synonym of pebble is a small rounded stone, और उर्दू में कहेंगे संगरेज़ा या कंकर. Next word we have is jewels, and the synonyms of jewels are gems, diamonds, और उर्दू में कहेंगे जवाहरात या कीमती पत्थर. Next word is concern, and the synonyms of concern are fear, worry and anxiety, और उर्दू में कहेंगे परेशानी, तशवीश या फिक्र. The next word we have is alleviate, and the synonyms of alleviate are reduce or lessen, और उर्दू में कहेंगे घटाना या कम करना. And the last word on the slide is relieve, and the synonyms of relieve are calmed and comforted, और उर्दू में कहेंगे पुरसुकून, इत्मीनान या आप मुतमय्यन भी कह सकते हैं. Dear students, now we have the paragraph number 5 before us on the slide. We shall be doing the paraphrasing and the translation of this paragraph. Her grandfather Hazrat Abu Quhafa Radhiyallahu Anhu was a disbeliever at that time. When Prophet Muhammad and Hazrat Abu Bakr migrated from Mecca to Medina, the father of Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq has not accepted Islam at that time, so he was a disbeliever. He was very old and had become blind. He was very old and was not able to see through his eyes. He said to her, Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty-handed and helpless. So he was worried. So he expressed his worriedness before Asma. He spoke to him like that. I think Abu Bakr has taken all the things with him, and you and the children are helpless and empty-handed now. At this, Asma instantly ran to a corner of the home. She gathered some pebbles and put them at the place where her father used to keep his money and jewels. So she instantly reacted to her grandfather's concern, and she gathered some pebbles and placed them in a corner where his father used to keep all the ornaments and money. She covered it with a piece of cloth. Come, grandfather, look. When she covered that pebbles with a piece of cloth, she invited her grandfather to come and take a look or see. He has left all this for us. And he invited his grandfather to touch and feel that everything is there laying for them. He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. So her grandfather thought that everything that he was concerned about is left there for them. his concern was alleviated. So his concern was removed or reduced, and he felt relieved to know that Abu Bakr Siddiq radhiyallahu anhu had left all his wealth at home. So he was pleased, or he was relieved to feel the gold and the jewels are there for them. Now we shall do the translation in Urdu. Her grandfather Hazrat Abu Quhafa radhiyallahu anhu was a disbeliever at that time. Hazrat Abu Quhafa, Hazrat Asma ke dada, उस वक्त अभी काफिर ही थे. He was very old and had become blind. वो बहुत बूढ़े थे और नाबीना हो चुके थे. He said to her, Asma, I think Abu Bakr has taken all the wealth, leaving you and children empty-handed and helpless. आपने अस्मा से कहा, मेरा ख्याल है अबू बकर सारी दौलत अपने साथ ले गया है, आपको और बच्चों को खाली हाथ और बेसहारा या बेचारा छोड़ गया है. At this, she instantly ran to a corner of the home. इस पर अस्मा जल्दी से या फौरी से घर के एक कोने की तरफ भागी या दौड़ी. She gathered some pebbles. अस्मा ने कुछ कंकरियाँ इकट्ठी की and put them at a place, और उनको एक जगह पर रखा, where her father used to keep his money and jewels, जहाँ पर उसके अब्बा या उसके वालिद साहिब अपनी दौलत और अपने जवाहरात को रखा करते थे. She covered it with a piece of cloth. आपने उसको कपड़े के एक टुकड़े के साथ ढक दिया या ढांप दिया. Her grandfather, come grandfather, look, और अपने दादा से कहा, दादा जान आएँ और देखें. He has left all this for us. वो सब हमारे लिए यहाँ पर छोड़ गए हैं. He touched the cloth and thought it was full of gold and jewels. तो अस्मा के दादा ने उस कपड़े को छुआ और ख़याल किया कि ये सारे के सारा सोने और जवाहरात से भरा पड़ा है. His concern was alleviated. और उनका जो फ़िक्र था या उनकी जो परेशानी थी वो घट गई, वो कम हो गई. And he felt relieved. और आपको एक आराम या इत्मीनान महसूस हुआ to know, ये जानकर, that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु had left all his wealth at home. कि अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु अपनी सारी दौलत घर पर छोड़ के गए हैं. Dear students, we shall review our lesson. The first word we have is empty-handed, means having no money or penniless, और आप उर्दू में इसको कहते हैं खाली हाथ. Instantly, instantly means immediately or at once, और उर्दू में आप कहते हैं फौरी से या जल्दी से. Pebbles, pebbles कहते हैं small rounded stones को, या a bit of stone, जो पत्थर का छोटा सा टुकड़ा है उसको भी, इसलिए हम इसको उर्दू में कहेंगे संग रेज़ा या कंकर. Jewels, jewels means gems और diamonds, और उर्दू में आप इसको कहेंगे जवाहरात या जेवरात या कीमती पत्थर. Concern, concern means fear, worry, anxiety, आप इसको कहेंगे फिक्र, परेशानी. तरद्दुद भी कह सकते हैं. Alleviate, alleviate means reduce, lessen, कम करना, घटाना. Relieve, calmed, comforted. मुतमय्यन या पुरसुकून. Dear students, here we have some words for you. As an assignment, you will use these words in your own sentences, and your words are empty-handed, instantly, pebbles, concern, and the last word is relief. Please attempt these words and send me your responses. I shall be waiting for your answers. Thank you.